The EU Landfill Directive will enforce major changes in waste management practices in the UK and Europe. There will be a substantial reduction of biodegradable waste, a banning of liquid waste to landfill, a banning of co-disposal whereby, for example, hazardous wastes are co-disposed with household wastes, and it will require pre-treatment of wastes before landfill.
One of the aims of pre-treatment is to reduce the volume of the waste going to landfill. How can this best be achieved?
Pre-treatment embraces a spectrum of options. It almost certainly envisages and will require the removal of biodegradable waste, a substantial portion of biodegradable waste. It will look for recycling where possible and a recovery of any potentially useful components, or energy if it's appropriate for incineration, to use incineration.
By 2020, we are going to have built probably of the order of 100 incinerators to deal with the waste. So you can see that from landfilling the majority of our waste and a small proportion of it going elsewhere, we're going to have to turn right round the other way. So this is a massive change for the industry. It means there'll be many fewer landfills.
The pre-treatment philosophy has also prompted another change in the industry. A move towards integrated waste management.
Most waste management companies are now developing integrated waste management facilities in the same location wherever that is possible from a planning point of view. So it makes a lot of sense to be able to combine waste sorting, waste separation, waste treatment with landfill for the residues, and many companies are developing and already have in place that sort of operation.
Such an integrated waste facility is already planned.
What we plan to do here is take the domestic waste and first of all process it in a building here which will reclaim as much material as possible for recycling. We shall then be composting some of the material which is either green waste or elements of domestic waste which can be composted. Once it's been produced in a primary form, it'll then go to an area across here where it'll be matured for a period of 6 to 8 weeks. Waste that cannot be processed and reclaimed will actually go to be landfilled in the quarry.
The EU directive, in my view, is extremely good. It will lead to more recycling, waste minimisation, composting, energy recovery from waste, and higher landfill standards universally in the UK, and also it will help eliminate a powerful greenhouse gas, methane, and we shouldn't overlook that one as well. The greenhouse effect is extremely important.